A wonderful morning to all my dear kids. Class 5th students, as you know, I told you every 4 chapters we have one exercise, right? So here this is the exercise number 1. There are 4 questions A, B, C, D. Okay. So question number 1, it is based on tick the right option. Question number B, it is based on write the capital of following states. Okay, so in this we will write the capitals of the states. Clear? And in question number C, answer the following questions. Here I have written only one word answer, but you have to write in full sentence. Got it? In the last question, write the names of the countries in which the following ancient wonders were located. So, before this exercise, we have completed this chapter. Yes or no? Ancient wonders of the world. And in our next chapter, we'll learn modern wonders of the world. 7 wonders of the modern world. This will be our next chapter, chapter 5, right? So here, let's start exercise 1. Here you can see what is the first question. What is the name of our country? Children, what is the name of our country? In which country do you live, children? Yes, it is. Which option is correct? India, right? Yes, so answer B is correct option. Now, move for the next question. Who is the head of the state of India? Who is the state of India? Who is the head of the state? Prime Minister, Vice President and President. So here, what is the answer, children? President is the correct answer, right? Okay. Now, question number 3. What is the capital of India? We are living in India, so you know very well what is our capital. Here, our capital is New Delhi. So, the capital of India is New Delhi. Clear? Now, next question is, what is the symbol of monetary unit of India? Here, as you can see, different signs are given, means so we can say symbol also, pound, dollar. Yes, it is rupee sign. And who designed this rupee sign? Children, do you know the name of the person who designed this symbol? Uday Kumar. Okay. Uday Kumar. While explaining the chapter, that time also I told you Uday Kumar has designed this symbol. Clear? So, it's our monetary unit. Clear? Now, this is last question of first exercise. What is the total population of India? Children, it is not the correct, accurate. It is approximately population is given to you. Okay? Because they both are not correct answers. So, that's why I am focusing on it. But, as you can see, now, means in the year 2020, it was 1,380 billion, or we can say 138 crores, right? But here it is given 135 crore, right? So it is not the correct figure, because every second a child has taken place. Okay, it is going on every second, it is changing, right? So in the year 2001, it increase 0.9%, 0.97% it increased in the year 2021. So that's why our population is 139 crore, 139 crore. Clear? 139 crores we can calculate, but this figure will not be the same. Clear? Yes, this will be change every minute and second, not minute, second. Okay, in a second it is changing and it's increasing day by day. And you know, children, our country have second populace in the world, second populated country in the world. Yes or no? Which one is first? First is China and second populous country is largest populated country we can say, or populous country or populated country, no problem, both are same. So it is second largest country in the world. Clear? So our answer, it is approximately we can give this answer, but it is not the same figure we can write it down. So you have to improve your knowledge, children. Okay? Don't depend, it is given in the book, so we will put this only. And question number B, write the capital of the following states. As you know, Assam. What is the capital of Assam, children? It is Dispur. Write the spelling of Dispur here. Second, Goa. The capital of Goa is Panji. Himachal Pradesh. Shimla, Shimla. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Karnataka. Bengaluru. What is the spelling of Bengaluru? Can you tell me the spelling of Bengaluru, children? Bengaluru. It is not Bangalore. Okay. We pronounce it Bengaluru. And Maharashtra. Its capital is Mumbai. Got it? Okay. All the answers also you can find it from your book. Now let's move for the next question. Question number C. Question C is, answer the following questions. Answer I have already written, but here you will write Kuchipudi is the dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Right? This you have to write the answer. Kuchipudi is the dance of which state? So Kuchipudi is the dance of Andhra Pradesh. Second, Mohiniyattam is the dance form of which state? Mohiniyattam is the dance form of Kerala. Dance form or dance of. Okay. Odissi is the dance of Odisha. Okay. Bhangra is the dance of Punjab. You are in 5th standard, children. So make sure you have to write in the complete sentence. Whether it is asking or not, but you have to write in a complete sentence. All the answers should be written with the correct spelling also. Now last answer. Satriya is the dance form of which state? Assam. Okay. Now this is our last question. Write the names of the country which the following ancient wonders were located. So as I explained, I have given you short notes on different ancient world, wonders of the world. So here you can write Hanging Gardens of Babylon is in Iraq. Okay, like it. Like this you can complete this answer. Hanging Gardens of Babylon is in Iraq. Statue of Zeus at Olympia is in Greek. Colossus of Rhodes is in Greek. So here 2 answers are same. While explaining also I have given the same thing, no? 2 answers are Same. Great Pyramid of Giza. It is in Egypt. Is in Egypt. You have to write with the capital. Your capital's name will be start with the capital letter. Okay. Temple of Artemis of Ephesus is in Turkey. So children, this is your exercise 1. Clear? Hope it would be helpful for you. Yes or no? Yes. Children, be happy and be healthy. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care. And to like my channel and subscribe it. You have to like and subscribe my channel. Bye.